Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram maps and locations on iPhone. So let's begin. Now, as of 2026, Instagram has updated a lot. So I'm going to show you where the new map feature of Instagram is located. So I will head to the App Store over here, and in App Store, I will show you that my Instagram is up to date. So let's open Instagram from over here. Alright, so here we are in Instagram, and previously the message section was on the upper right corner in Instagram. However, the message section is now here on the bottom. So let's go to the messages section, and as you can see, here is the Instagram maps. So let's click on explore the map, and then you will be able to explore the maps and with your friends. So here you can choose to share your location with people. So here I'm going to share my location with one friend. Now make sure to not share location with unknown person in your friend list. So let's share with one friend right now, and after that you'll be able to see the locations of yourself and here your friend's location as well. So I'll be able to see where my friend took a photo, and as you can see, I'm able to see their locations as well in the Instagram maps. Now if I zoom out of Instagram, I might be able to see some other friends as well. Now here you can see my other friends located in the Instagram maps as well. So that is how you will be able to share your location and see others in the Instagram maps just like this. Now I will get back from this option just to show you where to access this location again. Now from the message option, you will be able to see the notes on top. And if you swipe the notes section, then you will be able to see the maps section right over here. And by clicking on maps, you will be able to go to the global map, and then you will be able to see all of your friends in Instagram maps just like this. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.